How to add blur effect to your videos in CapCut. I will show you two easy methods to do it. Let's get started. Open your CapCut application. You have to tap on New Project. Select your desired video. Then tap on Add. Now you can see your video on the timeline. First method is to tap on Effect. Here you can see the option of Video Effects. Tap on it. On the search bar, type Blur. Select Blur Effect. Here you can choose from various blur effect. Choose the one that suits you better. Let's select the first option. Here you can see the video has been blurred. On the timeline, you can adjust the time duration to blur your video. Now for the second method, you have to tap on to the overlay option. You have to tap on overlay, select your video, tap on add. Resize the overlay to cover the area you want to blur. You can adjust the blur strength to achieve the best look. Once satisfied, tap export, choose the best resolution and save your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add blur effect in CapCut like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.